Number 1. Armor Shield 9 by AvalonKing. Number 2. CarGuys Hybrid Wax Sealant. Number 3. Color and Drive Car Ceramic Coating Kit. Number 4. Quart 4545308 Silver Rust Preventive Coating. Number 5. Aero Cosmetics Wet / Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. Number 6. Chemical Guys Hall _111 JetSeal and Pete's 53. Number 7. U-Pol Raptor Black Urethane Spray. Number 8. U-Pol Raptor Black Urethane Spray. Number 9. Chemical Guys Wax Detailer and UV Protectant. Number 10. Nasiol ZR53 Car Ceramic Coating Paint Protection. Number 11. Quart 4545208 Gray Rust Preventive Coating. Number 12. U-Pol 0820V Gun Black Truck Bed Liner Kit. Number 13. Mothers 01024 CMX Ceramic Spray Coating, 24 FL. Oz. Number 14. Ethos Handcrafted Car Care Ceramic Wax Pro. Number 15. Technician's Choice Tech 582 Ceramic Detail Spray, 1 gallon. Not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.